Hey, this is Ronald from Math Skills University, and if you bought an Amana washing machine, I'm sorry. But hopefully this video will be the last video that you have to look up to fix your Amana washing machine. Every weekend I look on my YouTube channel and I see all these comments and I feel your pain and frustration. As an ex-engineer, I took it upon myself to tear this washing machine apart and the dryer to see what the heck was going on because I refused to pay for a service call. But what they're doing is corporate greed, and it's called planned obsolescence. They make things obsolete, they make them break, they make you replace parts or call for service. My last diagnostic reset, which was a board level reset, fixed my washing machine for over a year. I have not had one problem. And I dreaded making this video because I'm sure this is going to be bad luck for me, but that's okay. I'm retired, so I have time to fix this thing. Anyway, this video is going to show you the hard reset process, the 2 soft reset codes, and more importantly, the last code that I used, the diagnostic level reset. So I'm hoping this fixes your problem forever and puts Amana out of business. No, just kidding. We need the jobs. But anyway, at least you have this video now that you can save somewhere, even download it. I don't care. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments, suggestions, or ideas, please leave them below. Have a great day. Peace. Hard reset. Unplug the washing machine for at least 30 minutes. Plug it back up, see if it works. Number 2, we're going to perform one of 2 soft resets. Here's reset code number 1. Take it to 12 o'clock. Go around 1 time. I'm going to go left, right, right, right 3 times. Left, right. And then you're going to see all the lights come on, or most of them come on the bottom. Now go right, right. And we're trying to go down to the final spin mode. Now press start. And here's reset code number 2. Start at 12 noon, go around 2 times back to 12. Then turn to the right 2 times, right, right. Then go left 1 time. Then right, right, right to the right 3 times. Left 1 time. And right 1 time. Now the light should flash. Press start. If that did not work, here we go. This diagnostic reset was a game changer for me. I did this in January of 2025 when my wife washed this dress with a few other items and they were still wet when the load completed. Also, the cycle complete light did not come on. Everything went dark. So I did this. I'm going to unplug this for 30 minutes. Okay, it's been 30 minutes, so I'm going to plug it back up. Now if I hit start twice, pump it twice, it should blink like that. Now here, I'm going to hold that down for 10 seconds. And see how the blinking stops. Then I'm going to let it go. And then tap it once. And the light is solid. Something you can hear it. So the water is filling up. I came back down here. It's been about, I don't know, 5 or 10 minutes. But now the lid is locked. I can see that. And it worked. Try this out, you guys. Ironically, I have not had a problem with this machine in a year, and I'm knocking on wood. What could preclude that, and the 3 components you see that are highlighted in red will stop your machine from working. The lid switch costs 23 bucks. If the lid switch does not lock, the machine will not work. Lid switches burn out constantly. Number 2, the dry belt. The dry belts wear out. You can buy 4 of those for 30 bucks or 1 for 12 bucks. The motor is trying to run. Then you have the motor coupler, which is about 9 or 10 bucks. But these things are plastic and they break all the time. So these are the three main culprits that I will look at first if you think you have a physical problem and you're beyond trying to reset the washer machine via the code. If you have any comments, suggestions, or ideas, please leave them below. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'm wishing you and your family the very best. Thanks for watching.